You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from Mexican and more globally, generally, South American food. But for Mexican food, stay tuned, I've got tons more for you at the end of this video. Pronounced in Spanish as antojitos, essentially kind of snacks. Antojitos. If you cannot pronounce the Spanish J, the J sound, you can replace it with an H sound from English, which is the closest sound. Antojitos. Antojitos or antojitos. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.